Industrial Health and Safety for ALP CBT 2A section. Question number 26. A hazardous analysis can be used to evaluate a potential hazard. What other information should be considered? Injury report, statistical data, risk assessment, fatality investigations. Answer C, that is risk assessment. 27. Which leadership style will have the most positive effect on subordinate satisfaction for employees who work on stressful, frustrating, or dissatisfying tasks? Supportive, achievement oriented, participative, contingency. The answer is A, that is supportive. 28. Which leadership style will help employee to strive for higher standard of the performance and have more confidence in their ability to meet challenging needs? Directed, achievement oriented, participative, performance. The answer is B, that is achievement oriented. 29. Which of the following is true concerning goals? All of the following true. Employee who are assigned value goal perform better than those employee who are given specific goal. Employee given moderately difficult or easily attainable goals perform better than those given high challenging goal. Pay and feedback lead to improve perform only when they lead individual employees to set high goals. The answer is D, that is pay and feedback lead to improve performance only when they lead individual employees to set high goals. 30. Which of the following are recognized strategies for multinational companies to use in dealing with the diversity of statutory laws governing it? All of the following: lobby to change the law in each country to they all the same, make all operations conform to the sorry strictest country law, make operation in each country responsible for compliance with that country's law. The answer is D, that is make operation in which each country responsible for compliance with that country laws. 31. Common law differs from statutory law. Which of the following statement is true? Statutory law passed a legislature. Statutory law is defined over a period of year by judges. Common law refers to a law that is often violated. Common law is a statute that amend the state constitution. The answer is A, that is statutory law passed by a legislature. 32. What functional area is typically responsible for functions related to design, construction, standard and repair, engineering, facilities, logistics, research and design? The answer is B, that is facilities. 33. Who are the customer of the occupational safety function? All employee in an organization, all employee in an organization and community as whole, the safety manager, supervisor, peers and subordinates, from the CEO level management to the line worker. The answer is B, that is all employees in an organization and the community as whole. 34. Some way the safety management profession can determine training need is to all of the following: conduct workplace survey, review regularly scheduled inspection for needs, conduct an employee opinion survey. The answer is A, that is all of the following. 35. The terms incident and injuries are often used interchangeably. Actually, the meaning are synonymous, different, diametrically opposed, identical. The answer is B, different. 36. A tool that enables a team to identify, explore, and graphically display the possible causes of an incident or hazardous condition is a fishbone diagram, a affinity diagram, a matrix diagram, and interrelationship diagram? The answer is A, that is fishbone diagram. 37. The system safety method MOT stand for more observation and repetitive training, management oversight and risk management, obstacle and responsive techniques, management objective and regulatory training. The answer is B, that is management oversight and risk. 38. One method often used in system safety program for complex system is fault trees analysis, fishbone analysis, Pareto chart analysis, audit analysis. The answer is A, fault tree analysis. 39. Calculate the incident rate for a company if the recordable incident are 40 and the total hour worked are 1500000. The answer 2.6, 5.3, 8.7, 10.2. The answer is B, 5.3. 40. Which of the following technique would be most likely to increase the motivation and satisfaction of the people at your job? Placement, responsibility of workers, satisfaction of workers, job enrichment. The answer is D, that is job enrichment. 41. What are the two main causes of incident in the workplace? Unsafe act and unsafe people, unsafe people and unsafe machines, unsafe condition and unsafe machines, unsafe acts and unsafe conditions. The answer is D, that is unsafe act and unsafe condition. 42. According to William C. Pope, the three causal factors of an incident are training, oversight, inadequate system, defect, management, training, error, defect, oversight, regulation, error, attitude. The answer is C, that is error, defect, oversight. 43. There are several factors that are often used to determine when an organization should have the service of a full-time safety professional. Which of the following is generally acknowledged to the prime determining factor in assigning safety personnel? The incident rate of organization, the seriousness of incidents suffered by the organization, the potential for serious injuries in the organization, the type of industry the organization is involved in. The answer is C, that is the potential for serious injuries in the organization. 44. According to Pope, prior to 1960, safety and incident prevention used what type of approach to reduce injuries? Situational leadership approach, engineering approach, classical management approach, contingency. The answer is B, that is engineering approach. 45. The main goal of workers' compensation law is to all of the following: to give the employee the opportunity to plead his case and speed up the waiting period for just compensation, to eliminate negligence and product liability claims, compensate workers for injuries caused by incident arising out of the course of the employment. The answer is D, that is compensate workers for injuries caused by incident arising out of the in the course of employment. 46. Housekeeping requirement for safe construction site include all of the following except keeping site reasonably dry and clear the dirt, scrap, protruding nails, providing containers for the collection and separation of waste, trash, oily rags, and any other refuse, removing combustible scrap at regular intervals, storing all flammable wastage in a barrel or similar container with open top for convenient deposit and frequent removal. The answer is D, that is storing all flammable wastage in the barrel or similar containers with open top for convenient deposit and frequent removal. 47. Which of the following is a term used to describe the condition epicondylitis? Trigger finger, rotator cuff, roofer's wrist, carpenter's elbow. The answer is D, carpenter's elbow. 48. The most common of the work related mus- musculoskeletal disorders, and in economic terms the most costly is carpal tunnel syndrome, tendonitis, epicondylitis, low back pain. The answer is D, low back pain. 49. The delay between exposure and observable effect is dash, downtime, latency period, effect delay, synergism. Synergism. The answer is B, that is latency period. 50. Which analysis method is the most effective at determining potential problem in a given system? Preliminary hazard analysis, job safety analysis, fault tree analysis, failure mode effect analysis. The answer is D, failure mode effect analysis. 51. Dilution ventilation is used to control a contaminant at its source, control fumes from lead fusing, control low toxicity vapors, control asbestos. The answer is C, that is control low toxicity vapors. Thank you.